So that's the fire disconnected, okay? So that's out of the way there. Now what we can do is get some PTFE. If I have a quarter, got 3/8. Now these fires like this, when they've got the steel is normally a quarter, so you need a quarter steel cap. Now I can grab that and start screwing that on there. Okay, so whilst doing this, that little screw, that little nail there was holding this up and stopping that from leaking. Right, so we're gonna get in here. We're gonna turn this on slightly. I can hear it. So yeah, it's most definitely there. That's a little bit of a nightmare because that goes in there, up, I don't know where that goes to, but anyway. Now, looking at this, I don't need this pipe anymore. That pipe goes there, so I can actually take that out. It's actually, I can't unscrew this, it's in the bloody wall. So, how do I do this? It looks like this one is maybe coming from the gas meter, but it's going like that. Oh, that fucking part.